그건 몰랐네.
내일 아침에 가볍게 먹으면 되잖아.
아니 이거 새로 나온 거 여기 잡곡 있어요.
언니 스파게티도 해요?
네네. 여기 메뉴도 다 주문 가능. 딱 달리랑 있으니까 예쁘다.
이따가 주노. 샤브샤브 잘 되나 보다, 혼자. 이거는? 응? 이거? 이거 찍어 먹는 건가?
After lunch, I just came to Starbucks with my laptop because I have some errands to do for today, like to-do list, maybe watching lectures, editing my vlogs, study, or etc. So I'm gonna probably spend like about 2 or 3 hours here.
포장 중. 여기는 해먹는 게 아니고 다 포장이 나오고.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Right now it's almost quarter to 3 o'clock, but I have to find a place that I can wait a couple hours since mom just went for some stuff to do. I just left alone right now. I have to find a place that I can do laptops or stuff to do. I literally have no place to go right now. I'm just staying in the car and trying to find the place where I could stay. Probably cafe, but the thing is, I just drank already my caffeine, so I don't want to drink like too much caffeine for today. So I prefer to go place that have the caffeine drinks. Hello everyone, today it's January 23rd, 12:26 p.m. right now. I'm currently plan to go to the library to print out some papers. Let me just pause it for a second because there are person walking by my next to my car and I'm so awkward. Let me just lower my hand. Okay, so let me just put my camera right here. So I'm gonna go to the library right now to print out some papers. So again, after print out some papers, I'm gonna do laptops a little bit. I just brought my coffee. I really love bringing my own coffee to some place rather than spending money every time at the cafe. Yeah, that is my plan. I have to get ready for tonight. Yeah, okay, I'll just turn off the light.
빵 먹어서 한 잔 더 늘려갖고 다 왔대. 찍어 있잖아. 나 이거 하나만 먹으면 땡이다.
I found that photo in the sofa, and it's from way back in '01. So I guess there's much I never told you, like who I am, who I love, where I've been and where